Minin ka nyngkong ko Office Jong ka Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai Territorial Division Jowai kala pynlong da ka jingïaid rally kam awareness program Mynta na ka Jal Shakti Abhiyan halor ka phang kaba on catch the rain where it falls and when it falls. Ki khynnah skul ki balai Mynta lang ha ka jingïaid rally da ka bara lang ki placard ha ryngkat ka jingpyrta ki ban pynneh pynsah kabla sdang na Daimasi Playground Ladthalaboh bat pynkut katei ko office bat yakani rally la wan ban kawe yakalama do Additional Deputy Commissioner Jowai P.K Boro. Layuthu da ka jingpyrta yakani rally kalongkum kalat ban jingïaid kipat ba bakinang mantingka ya ko slap khnang bakanlong ka sngi yakalawe. Soil and Water Conservation Officer Jowai Territorial Division Matiwar habakran hakani kasngi ulabo ka jingtu ya uway pa uway banya don mentalang da ka basdang shwan naladi haga jingim banting kaya ko bat banlong ki balik khut. Ulapentep ru baka Office Soil and Water Conservation kumbalong menta klade ka way niki ophis kabralat na ka jingpunan kampla plastik bat kani kalalong ka nuksay ki way. Ya kani ko ophis kala persyang la sisnem Mynta. Mynta na kani ka program jingïaid la don ru ka jingakop tho esi halor ka phang catch the rain where it falls and when it falls. Ya kani ka program la penya da uma pi lamari senior demonstrator soil and water conservation kat bayi tin ay kuble la yo nakakong ishila assistant soil and water conservation officer Jowai Territorial Division.
From all the way from Ladthalaboh coming through is not not a matter of joke, and it's not of your energy. So I'll keep this presentation very short. It won't be presentation. It will just be a sort of awareness. So first of all, before we think about water conservation, water and soil and water conservation, one thing we should know is that we should have one basic information. That one very important basic information is, I'll ask from all of you, you can reply me if you can. I want to ask you one question. Where do you think is the best place to store water? Where is the best place to store water? Anyone? Yes? Yes? Yes. Actually, I have been asking so many people regarding that same question, where is the best place to store water? And I always get the wrong answer. Today is the first time when I get the right answer. The best place to store water is inside the soil. The question is how? Is it? The question is how? Each and every one of us, we know about the hydrological cycle. We do, I think, all of us? Okay, so I won't go that far. So I'll start from the point, the rain comes to the earth, when it falls into the earth. As soon as the rain falls into the earth, it's all up because of our own yourself, human behavior. The behavior we need to sense. If we want to sense it, we must have a future plan to save our generations to come. That's why today's program that we have got 11 placards showing different slogans. Definitely, it will create awareness to other people. There will be impact, though it is a very small, but it's very, very important. It will be able to create awareness to your brothers, to your sisters, and to your localities. Today, I would like to request all my dear students, please disseminate this information first to your home and to your locality, and in future, in the years to come, that